how to use camera effects on WhatsApp video call. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can enable and use different camera effects for WhatsApp video call. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. So now to use this feature, you actually have to enable the feature first. Simply go ahead and open up the WhatsApp from your device, and from the home page you just need to go ahead and tap on the settings button near the bottom right here, and you just need to scroll down, tap on privacy, and you just need to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and he'll get to see the option called allow camera effects. You just need to enable this feature and tap on continue, and your camera effects will be enabled. Now every time you make a video call on WhatsApp, you'll get to see the camera effects option. You can tap on this one and you can use the camera effects directly during the video call. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.